Hello, I'm Dave Palmer here with PT Coupling, and we're here to demonstrate the operation of the 100-414, which is the newest design of the 3-inch black mirror refined fuel system made by PT Coupling. This has been installed at Performance Truck in Bryan, Texas, all for Junction Fuels here in Corpus Christi. And if you're watching this video, you have been trained on the operation of your trailer, you've been trained on the operation of the meter, and you've been trained on all of your personal protection equipment that you have, static lines, vent lines, and everything. And now we're going to get into just the operation of the actual pumping system. This unique system has a four-way valve with the hub at the center of it. Anytime you're going to connect, disconnect, engage PTOs, always put it in the neutral position. There'll be no pressure developed, and the unit will be extremely safe. Once you have validated all of your connections, validated your vapors open, validated your static lines connected, and you're ready to start pumping, this is when this video begins. So again, as I said, you will put it in the neutral position. You will open up all of your material valves on the pump system. You'll open up the material valves on your trailer, your vent lines, your internal valves on the trailer, and now you're set to start pumping. So when you engage the PTO switch, this will be in neutral, and your meter will be set at 0. You power on your meter to the right, engage the PTO. And at that junction, the drive line will start turning and everything will be maintained within the pump. The lines will not fall and no pressure will be developed. As soon as you establish all your connections are valid, when you go to grab this unit, if the trailers are connected up correctly and the stationary tank is connected up correctly, this load and unload is referring to the trailer's load. So if we're going to unload our trailer, we've got this line going to our transport trailer. This line is going directly to our delivery tank. And if it's a meter delivery, it will come out of this line. So these two actually simultaneously meet each other. So when you get ready to do it, once you have validated all your connections, you grab this handle, you'll engage the PTO, and you'll grab this. And if we're going to unload your trailer, you will pull this handle. There's a design called tactile feedback. So when you start to push this line over, it's 1 gallon a minute, 2 gallon a minute, up to 240 gallons a minute, and any time can be brought back to the neutral position. If you're in the bypass mode where you're not using the meter, you can flow easily from load the trailer to unload the trailer, to cleaning your lines. But as soon as you shut your bulk delivery valve and you're going to deliver through the meter, it will only go in one direction. And you can tell that direction because you'll be starting to do the unload and the meter will start to dial. So again, we have our lines open, checked our connections, 2 gallons a minute, 3 gallons a minute. It does a veneered flow, so you can check your lines at a very low GPM, very low pressure. Validate your connections, then go to your unloading position, and your meter will be spinning. And you'll do it at all times. Some of the things you must be cautious of. The spinning drive line that drives the pump is extremely dangerous, so always stay clear of the drive shaft. At the end of your unit, when you're done, you can push this unit back into the neutral position, shut all of your material valves, and then you can open up your drain and you can either drain the valve or you can pull samples from this bottom point. Even though the PTO shaft is running and the pump is running, as long as it's in neutral, you have no flow and no pressure. So once you drain out your valve, you get ready to go, you can seal up your caps, make sure all your valves are tight, and your load is delivered. And you're done using the unit at that time. Thank you.